I'm Scott McClousrich with Siemens Motors Business here at the Kalamazoo Air Zoo as a co-sponsor with our business partner in the area, HECO. It gives us an excellent opportunity and an excellent venue to share the challenges of the industrial footprint here in the Kalamazoo area. Today, although we have a broad product portfolio, the product we are showcasing is our electrical motor product. The RPM Symposium, as compared to other events, I mean, we've already touched on the venue and what we have here, but it seems like in other conferences, maybe there's more of a shotgun approach type, where you just invite everyone and hope someone shows up. And it doesn't seem like the attendees are as qualified as the attendees here, or as much quality of an attendee as far as being knowledgeable on their processes, being able and having the authority to change that process, to make it better, to address their issue. So if you ask me to compare this to other events, it's really the audience and the quality of that audience that are in attendance at the RPM Symposium.